In this video, I am going to show you how to download the JMP or JMP software, which you are going to need for your Health 318 lab projects this quarter. So to download this software, it is available for free as a student through Cal Poly. So to get to the page to download this software, I just Googled Cal Poly software downloads. I also have placed the link to get to the tech.calpoly.edu page at the bottom of this page in Canvas. So once you click on that link and you get here, you can click on this software downloads, and this will take you to the page where you can actually access the spot to download software. So I'm going to click this link here that says download software. And once I do that, it's going to take me to this page. When you get to this page, you're going to click new software request, and this page should come up. You're going to scroll down, and in the software title, you are going to search for JMP, so JMP, and you want to download the latest version of JMP. So click that JMP 16. Once you click that, it should populate the software name in there, and you'll see there's a bunch of information. Scroll down and click the yes to I accept the terms. And when you click that yes, you'll hit the serial and download info. It will then take you to this page where you're going to access some important information for downloading your software. So scroll down, and the first thing you're going to see is this license file. Now this license file is something you're going to need later on in the downloading process. It is not something that you're clicking on that's going to actually download the software. It's a license file that you'll need to actually complete the downloading process. So in terms of which license file you're going to select, it depends on the JMP software that you are downloading. There is a JMP Pro and a regular JMP. They are the same exact thing. The really big thing to notice here is you need to make sure you're downloading the software that is right for your computer. So if you're using a Mac, you want to download the OS X software. If you are using a Windows PC, you're going to want to download the software that has the WIN for Windows in there. I'm using a Mac, and so I am going to download the JMP Pro software. So I'm going to click this license file here, which says JMP 16 Pro, and I see it has the OS X here for that Mac software. So I'm going to click that, and you'll see that that is now downloading to my computer. It should be in my downloads folder. So make sure you know where that file went. I would put it in your downloads folder. Make sure you can identify it, because as I mentioned, you are going to need it as a step in completing the software download on your computer. So save that file, and now we're going to go to the next step. So you're going to scroll down the page. And when you get to the section that says download notes, this is where you're actually going to download the JMP software. So remember, you need to download the JMP software that matches the license file that you downloaded. So I downloaded JMP 16 Pro for Mac, so I'm going to download this here. If you downloaded JMP 16, just the regular version for Mac, you're going to want to use this one here. And the same thing goes for if you have a Windows PC computer. You want to download the appropriate one there. So to actually download the software, you're not going to want to click directly on that link. Nothing will happen. The big key here is you actually have to right-click, and you need to copy the link address. Once you've copied this link address, you have to open up a new window on your computer. You're going to paste that link address into that URL bar at the top of your Chrome browser, and I'm going to click enter. And now you'll see that my JMP software is actually downloading. So you're going to need to give that a minute or so to actually download, but now it should be downloading in your downloads folder. So now at this point, I just went to my downloads folder to find the JMP download that I just downloaded on my computer. So I am going to click this and open this up to get JMP going and install it on my computer. you'll see a window has opened up for the JMP installer. I'm going to double click that to get that going. And you're going to want to go through this and just click continue. And you'll continue to click continue. And I'm going to click install. And you need to put in your password. Your computer might ask you to put one in. And once you do that, it should start downloading onto your computer. So as you can see, JMP is downloading on my computer. So I'll give it another minute or so to download. And now JMP has successfully downloaded onto my computer. So I'm going to close this now, and I'm going to move this to the trash. And I'm going to go to my applications to now open JMP to use it. So I'm going to go to my applications, and I am going to open JMP 16, which should open up on your computer now that it's been installed. So now you have to take that license file, and you're going to need to provide that license file to JMP so it finishes installing on your computer. So I'm going to click Open License. And when I do that, I need to go to my Downloads folder where I placed that license file, and I'm going to select that here and choose that. And you can just click OK and skip that part. But once you upload that license file, it'll say your license has been accepted, and that's pretty much it. Now JMP is downloaded onto your computer. You don't need to register anything. You can close out of all of these things. But now I've got JMP installed on my computer, and it is ready to use for my Lab for Health 318.